Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to start a new topic, that is the polity of Bihar. In first part we already have discussed 20 questions. So in this video also we will discuss the another set of 20 questions which is important for all examinations of the Bihar. So we will start the part 2. First question is the according to which article of the Indian Constitution is the legislature of Bihar bicameral in nature? So according to 169 article of the Constitution, the legislature of Bihar is bicameral in nature. So correct option is option number C. Under the article 169 of the Constitution, the Parliament has power to either create or abolish a council in state. Article 197 states that a restriction on power of legislative council as to bill other than money bill. Next is the 168. Article 168 states that in any state there shall be state legislature that consists of the governor, legislative council and legislative assembly. Article 170 it states for composition of legislative assembly. So through Article 169, the legislature of Bihar is bicameral in nature. Correct option is option number C. Article 169, in this Parliament has power to either create or abolish the council in any state. Next, 197th article states that there is restriction in the power of legislative council. It does not have power to introduce the money bill, and it introduces other than money bills. Next is the 168. It states that there is in any states there shall be the state legislature consist of governor, legislative council and legislative assembly. 170th article of the Constitution states that there is composition of legislative assembly. So correct option is option number C. Next is what is the tenure of legislative council in state? So correct option is option number D. Dissolution never, means the state council does not dissolve. The state legislative council does not dissolve like the Rajya Sabha in the center. The state legislative is also called the upper house of a state. The legislative assembly it dissolves after every 5 years, or it may dissolve before 5 years or so if there is no majority or if majority of the house falls. So correct option is option D. Next is what is the minimum age required by an Indian citizen to become a member of legislative council? So in order to become the legislative council member, the Indian citizen must be above or 30 years of age. So correct option is option number B, 30 years. Next is 24. Which of the following statement is true regarding the High Court? A, its original jurisdiction includes the interpretation of Constitution and enforcement of fundamental rights of the citizen. It is correct option. Next is though its appellate jurisdiction, it is primarily a court of appeals. It is also correct. Next is it has administrative control over all the subordinate courts and tribunals functioning in its territorial jurisdiction. It is also correct. So these all are the functions of the High Court. So correct option is option number D, all of the above. Next is who is the foremost legal officers of the state? So correct option is option number A. Advocate General is all legal officers of the state, and it will take part in the court and represent the state with any cases that is related to the states. So for any cases related to the state, it will take part in the judicial process. So correct option is Advocate General. Next is the when was President rule imposed in the Bihar? So correct option is option number A. On 29th June 1968, the first time President rule was imposed in the Bihar, and it defined under the 356 of the Constitution, and the first President rule was lasted on till the 26th February 1969, and it was the longest President rule in the state. At that time, the Governor of Bihar is the Nityanand Kanungo, and CM of Bihar is the Bhola Paswan Shastri. Till now, the 8 times total President rule was imposed in the Bihar, and the last time it was imposed in the year 2005. Next is the who was the Chief Minister of Bihar when President rule was imposed for the first time? So at that time, the Chief Minister of Bihar is the Bhola Paswan Shastri. So correct option is option C, Bhola Paswan Shastri. Next is the who was the Governor of Bihar when the President rule for the first time was imposed. At that time, the Governor of Bihar is the Nityanand Kanungo. So correct option is option number B. Next is the when was President rule imposed for the shortest duration in Bihar? So on 1995, it was imposed for only 7 days. That is the shortest duration that President rule was imposed in the Bihar. Next is the who was the first Chief Minister of Bihar? So after independence, the first Chief Minister of Bihar is the Dr. Sri Krishna Singh. Dr. Sri Krishna Singh was the first CM of Bihar. So correct option is option number B. Muhammad Yunus was the first Prime Minister of Bihar. Prime Minister of Bihar province in 1937. Next is the how many times has President rule been imposed in Bihar? So total 8 number of times the President rule is imposed in the Bihar. So correct option is option number C, 8 times. Last time it was imposed in 2005. Next is the when did constitutional governance begins in the Bihar? So correct option is option number B. In 1950, the constitutional governance begins in the Bihar. Next is the who prepares the draft state plan in the Bihar? So Bihar State Planning Board will draft the state plan in the Bihar. Next is the where did the district planning in Bihar started for the first time? So the first time the district planning in Bihar is started in Munger. The first district planning in Bihar is started from Munger. Next is the what is the structure of Panchayati Raj in Bihar under Panchayat Act 1993. So correct option is option number D. There is 3-tier system. 3-tier system Panchayati Raj is introduced in the Bihar under the Panchayat Act 1993. So correct option is option number D, 3-tier. Next is the in which state was the State Minority Commission given a statutory status for the first time? So in the state of Bihar, the State Minorities Commission given a statutory status for the first time. So correct option is option number D. Next is the who decides if a bill is money bill or not? So the Speaker of State Legislative Assembly has power to decide whether the bill is money bill or not. So correct option is option number A. Likewise, the Speaker of Lok Sabha in center decides whether the bill is money bill or not, and it was first introduced in the Legislative Assembly in the state and Lok Sabha in the center, and Legislative Council has not power to reject the money bill. So correct option is option A. Next is the how many seats are allotted to Bihar in upper house of the central legislature under Government of India Act 1935. So total 8 seats are allotted to Bihar in the upper house of central legislature under the Government of India Act 1935. So correct option is option number C. Next is the first president of independent India was from the So the first president of independent India was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, and he belongs to the Bihar state. So correct option is option number C, Bihar. Next is the what is the tenure for which a governor is appointed. So the governor of state, any state is appointed for the 5 years. So correct option is option number C, 5 years. So thanks for watching my video. Please like the video and subscribe my channel also.